Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate this Life of a Showgirl outfit from Taylor Swift's new album Undressed to Impress. This is the other album cover version, but I'm just going to remove everything except for the ones I made adjustments on, which is the hair and the earrings. I used this hair in bangs only in this color. Then I used this hair in blonde position, the Z 2.56. And then for the earrings, I colored it this color here, 280816, and rotated the X 2.54. And then I am going to add this top, and the top only without the skirt. Color it using the glitter tog material. Then color it 280816. Get the Sabrina Carpenter top. Well, I did the full outfit and then turn off the kiss. And then I'm just going to color it 31101B for all of it. I know it's not exactly the same, but it's very hard to recreate the exact same thing, obviously. Get a codes and get these boots in the even longer toggle. Color it the lighter color and then use the glitter material. Lastly, you're just going to use these gloves in the same color and glitter. And that is it. That is Taylor Swift's outfit. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.